Folks, I'm Tony.
And I'm Tina.
And we're TNT RVing. So what are we up to today, Tina?
We're washing Belle today with our brand new pressure washer.
Yes, this pressure washer was provided to us by Yardforce. Yardforce reached out to us and asked if we could check out their new 2000 PSI 1800 watt pressure washer. Maybe do a little video for them. I said,
Awesome.
absolutely, send
Yeah.
it. And one of the nice things about this, Tina, is it's on sale now. I saw on Amazon, last I checked, $169, and you get a $60 coupon. So
that's a good deal.
$110. That's pretty affordable.
Also, when we were at the Hershey RV show, we ran into the good folks at Harvey. They are professional RV cleaners. They travel around and wash RVs for a living, and these are the soaps that they have developed. One is a wash and wax, and the other is a wash with the black streak cleaner, which we all need. So we're anxious to try these out for sure.
Absolutely. Let's get started.
Okay, let's go.
Alrighty, let's open this baby up. And we will see what we got in the box here. Oopsies. Alright. Oh, look at, I love the size of this, first off, and the weight. And I don't know what we're gonna do. Alright.
Oh my gosh.
My bad. So look how cute this thing is. Alright, nice compact. We got a power cord.
Awesome.
Here's our, oh, and it comes with a GFCI already on there, which is nice. Because you know, most people are not gonna take the time and plug it into a GFCI, so that's included. Very good. There's our wand. Grab the paper, stick that in there. Oh, it comes with some nozzles, a little handle to put the cord on, I bet, or to mount your gun on. Instructions. So let's check this out a little bit more. We're gonna assemble it and then get back to you. Good. Look here, there's a little soap tank you can use if you need. You can put soap in there directly and pump it out.
Huh.
Here's where you hook up your water. So let's investigate this a little bit more, but it looks nice. So here's how, with all the accessories on there, nice little footprint. I do like that.
Yeah, I like that too. That will actually fit in the garage.
So we're gonna take this off here. This is still kind of on the snug side. I'm gonna assemble it. All right, do you mind holding this so I can pull this out?
Sure.
There you go.
Is that how long it is?
Yeah.
Hey, that's pretty good.
So there's that. All right, now I'm gonna plug it in. We got water in there. Let's turn this on. All right. Now we just turn this on. Gonna make some noise. See how that?
Oh, that's cool.
I'm just gonna take some of these off of here. But all I'm using this really for is to apply the soap solution and give it a rinse under pressure. You gotta really be careful when you're pressure washing RVs. You really don't wanna go overboard with it. That's why I kinda like the 2000 PSI unit. So we're simply gonna just rinse it off real well, and then we're gonna mix up our soap solution and then get at it. So with the new soap, and I've had this from, I bought this on Amazon a while back.
The foam cannon, right?
Yeah, the foam cannon, and it was just a cheapy foam cannon. It works great. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix 1 part of our Harvey multi-purpose exterior and black streak remover. So 1 part of that to 4 parts water. So I'm gonna do that right now.
So here's how the water's all hooked up back here.
And then this is the power switch on and off. And when it's pressurized, it doesn't kick on. As soon as you pull the handle, then that's when it starts up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start off here. Get the stink bug off. Come on, stink bug. Okay. And we're gonna simply apply our foam. Let's see how that goes. Yeah. Isn't that nice?
Yeah,
I
that
love
is
this
nice.
thing. The foam cannons are neat.
Yeah, oh like that soap though. That's
makes cleaning. These are clean. I'm just gonna put a little squirt on that, and then let's try to clean this up a little bit and see what it does. But it might take a little bit.
Yeah, we didn't wash this right away after coming home from our trip, so these bugs are kind of
pretty good.
baked on there a little bit.
But actually, Tina, look at this.
Yeah, it is.
All right, for example, here, watch that right there.
Yeah, I'm watching.
I hit it with the pressure washer and it wouldn't even
gross.
touch it. And then, look at that. Let that
coming off,
soak
yeah.
a little bit.
Yeah, for sure.
So we just switch that out. Now we're gonna rinse. And what I like about this being electric, Tina, is when I stop, I don't have to hear the motor making all the racket. And it works.
There it is.
Alright, I'm sold. I'd buy that soap.
I didn't hear what you said. What did
I
you
said,
say?
I'm sold. I'd buy this soap for sure. That is way better than what we were using before. And I
Yep.
was using the McGuire FYI. And this is kind of an extreme test because the front was really had a lot of bugs and
on
bird
bugs.
droppings and
Yeah.
everything else on it. But I figured, why not test it when it's bad?
I think it was,
So, take a look here.
yeah.
It all came off, which is great.
Yep.
So I'm pleased.
That's where all those bugs are.
Yeah.
Of course, you now have a new stink bug up there.
Yeah.
Go away. Yeah, no, that looks
Way better.
really good.
All right, let's continue.
Okay.
What do you think?
I think we should continue. And here's how much soap we used. We used that out of this 16-ounce bottle of Harvey multi-purpose cleaner. And this is a 2205S, so 23 feet long, and did the whole RV. Awesome. Thank you, Harvey.
Now, what we're going to do after using the multi-purpose cleaner and black streak remover, which removed all the residual wax that we had on there, we're going to use the Harvey wash and wax. So we're going to do the same mix. It's 1 to 4. So whatever you choose here, you want to put 1 to 4, and we'll call it. Yes, we filled it to that line. Let's see here. So there, and then we'll top that off with 4 parts water. So now what we're gonna do is shake it up a little bit, mix it around, which is good. Now we're set. Let's get this put on. We'll start on this side since we're already here.
Yeah, that's good.
All right, so the Yardforce actually worked out quite well. I think I would definitely buy this for $100, a little over $100.
Yeah.
2 thumbs up. I really like this unit. It has just enough pressure to clean Belle without going a little too much, penetrating seals and causing any issues. I think we'll be able to use it for our patio furniture and everything. But the other thing I wanted to point out to you is I use this product called, it's Briggs & Stratton Pump Saver. And what this does is it hooks up to right where you hook your hose up, And then you spray that inside there, and it'll go into the pump and keep it well lubricated for winter storage, and you won't have any problems in the spring. So I definitely recommend using the Briggs & Stratton Pump Saver. If it's in or on Amazon, I'll go ahead and put that in our store, and you can check out the link for our store. The other thing, big shout out to Harvey Cleaners. They did a great job with their formulation of the multi-purpose exterior cleaner with black streak. I was actually quite impressed that this worked so well. Same with their wash and wax, we did that as well. You can see we used just a minimal amount of each of them, and so we got plenty of washes left in these little samples that Mary gave us, so yeah. Appreciate that for sure. And at any rate, I hope you found this video helpful, useful, entertaining possibly. If you did, I appreciate it if you'd subscribe to TNT RVing.
Yeah, give us a big thumbs up, a like, and we'll see you at the campground.
TNT.